For the past 40 years, Cablevey Conveyors has established itself as the leader in the food processing industry for gentle conveying of friable materials. Our systems have become the go-to standard because of our flexibility and adaptability to any processing environment. Our years of experience with multiple food materials gives our engineers the unique expertise to customize tubular conveyor systems to fill your specific needs. Utilizing our basic components, cables, discs, and tubes, we are able to create a system that fits within your environment and takes your materials where they need to go, gently and safely. We have a variety of components that can be assembled and customized to fit within your environment and within your budget, in any configuration, utilizing multiple tube diameters, drives, and turnarounds. Our systems offer a full array of sweeps that can bend and curve around existing structures and obstacles. Our systems can roll left or right, horizontally and vertically to fit almost any existing operating environment. Cablevey Conveyors can gently transfer your materials from one type of system to another. We can deliver your product from one room to another, from one floor to another, from one building to another, all with minimal modification to your existing facility. Cablevey systems have been employed to gently convey a variety of breakfast cereals, nuts, snack mixes, and other friable foodstuffs. And unlike traditional systems that focus on speed and bulk, which can compromise your product durability or your product mix, our cable and disc systems occupy a unique niche for gently conveying your material with minimal breakage, with the advantage of maintaining the integrity of your mixed blends. Let's take a look at a complete Cablevey system integrated into a coffee roasting facility. Cablevey conveyors are utilized from beginning to end, from delivery of raw green beans to finished packaging of the roasted end product, all within a completely enclosed system. Here the raw beans are fed into the first inlet of the Cablevey system. Through a series of horizontal and vertical tubes, the beans are conveyed from process to end product. Through the wall, to the mixers, to the roasters, to the destoner, back into the Cablevey system, up and over the degassers, into the grinders, through the walls to the flavoring room, then to its final destination in the packaging room. This entire process takes place within a completely enclosed system, dramatically minimizing exposure to ambient conditions and contamination, helping you to comply with current FSMA and FDA requirements. And our automated multiple discharge configurations, coupled with PLC control, allows for continuous material processing and delivery. Our engineers can help you streamline your production to make efficient use of existing space and maximize product throughput. Cablevey specializes in moving many types of food materials. For example, we have installed systems for conveying roasted coffee, cereal loops, pet food, cereal flakes, food pellets, tea leaves, peanuts, and malted barley, among others. Whether it's frozen fruit or rice crackers, our engineers will work closely with your production team to customize the most efficient system to deliver your materials gently from processing station to processing station. In our next video, we'll show you in more detail how Cablevey engineers design and integrate a custom system into an existing space like yours. See you then. Cablevey Conveyors has developed both dry and wet processes for cleaning our systems in place. With significant input from industry sources, we have improved standards to address sanitary concerns in food processing. Starting out with an enclosed system is a good start. Tubular cable conveyors have an advantage because your materials are not exposed to ambient conditions during processing. For food-grade applications, our discs are solid. No holes for nuts or bolts are needed. Discs are attached to a nylon jacketed cable that is FDA approved. Each disc is permanently affixed to the jacketed cable, allowing no place for fines to accumulate. We have designed our tensioning turnaround unit to hold and easily discharge water, foam, and any accumulation of material during the normal conveying process. The angled base of the turnaround box directs water, foam, and debris to the funnel. Attached to the idler frame is a food-grade plastic sprocket wheel. A similar sprocket assembly is used within our drive unit. Cablevey Conveyors has recognized the need for different cleaning processes for different material applications. After materials like almonds, peanuts, and pistachios pass through a system, brushing fines off of discs and cable is sometimes needed before product changeover occurs or just for maintenance. We have developed a brush box system to clean the discs and cable. As the cable and discs move through the return, the discs and cable run in between the brushes, cleaning them with a hard poly bristle. 2 spinning brushes knock debris off of the cable and discs each time around the conveyor system, self-powered by the discs passing through. Additionally, our systems use a replaceable urethane wiper disc mounted on the cable that acts as a squeegee and sweeps fines to the turnaround unit each round. The wiper is a larger diameter than the tube, making it easy to remove any material left inside the system. Air knives are used to blow off debris at specific points where fines might accumulate. We can also supply a sponge to apply sanitizing or aseptic cleaner to be used as a temporary clamp-on piece. This is usually used at the end of a process and is removed and the sponge discarded. Cleaning our system in place is a multi-step process made easy with our tubular cable conveyors. After material is passed out of the system, water can be introduced to rinse the inside of the tubes, disc, and cable. After this process, foam can be introduced. The foam touches all parts of the system internally. Another rinse is performed, often with hot water. Finally, a sanitizing rinse can be used if necessary. The internal tube, discs, and cable begin to dry with airflow, and with the aid of the air knives and the urethane wiper disc passing through the system. Of course, your needs may be different. We pride ourselves on listening to you and developing systems that maintain the integrity of your materials and blends. We look forward to your next request of Cablevey Conveyors, the clean way to convey.